Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add page number to a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and say that this page no numbering and I'll add page number. Now select this page layout option. Here you will find this dates number option. Click on this down arrow and select current documents and go this box and remove prefix, suffix and start numbering for page. I select number improve number 1 and this numbering position page number top corner, right corner, and you can put your page number bottom and I remove this one and this style and size and make it 22 and rotation angle and make 0 and increment the number on every page and apply all page this advanced option and see this position. Here you can see this bottom position, see this position of changing. Now select OK and select apply and see this page number 1 now is good here, this page number 2 and this is page number 3 and 4. In this way you can apply page number on your PDF file and see this. See, yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.